Hey, this Randy at Mountain Air Farms. Alright, it's the end of the day. It's Friday. I think we're going to work tomorrow, though. But I'm just going to show you the progress on the barn. We got all the roof on. Well, except for two back little sections back there, we got to cut them down to get them up on there. It's a green tin. Can't get a shot of the green tin from down here. But it came out really good. Hopefully tomorrow we can get that back wall finished and this front wall up. And then I've got the framing around my door for where the door hangs on. Got to put some 2x6 or 2x8s on there. It's going to look really good. Show the color. That's the green tin. That's what's on top. And out here, that's the color of the side tin. Put that J trim up there at the top. I like that. That kind of finishes off. Most of the time we're building no barns and stuff, and we just run the tin up and don't worry about trimming up at all on top. That makes it look good. I think that turned out real well. See if I can go up and get you a picture up here on top. Sorry for the camera movement. I'm not a good camera person. But my wife just kind of quit on me, I think. She hadn't done it in a while. Now I gotta walk back up the hill to get a picture. All right. That's a green tin on top. What it looks like on top. That's gonna look good. It just takes a while doing all these little bitty things. There's a lot of little, all the trim work and stuff. I'd much rather deal with wood than metal. But I'll shoot you back a video tomorrow. We get the front and the back done, and then we'll be close to all the tin will be up and we'll be ready for gravel. So we should 2 more days had it buttoned in where we're ready for gravel and cement.